Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you use Asana to organize your projects and teams, but you're ready to say goodbye to a workspace you no longer need, you've probably wondered, how do you actually delete a workspace in Asana? Well, it's not quite as simple as pressing a delete button, but don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to remove a workspace from your account, as well as how to deactivate it so no one else can access it. Let's get started. First things first, let's open up Asana. Go ahead and sign into your account. Take a moment here, because I know sometimes we have multiple workspaces and it can get a little confusing. Once you're in, look up to the top left corner. There, you'll see a button labeled Chat with Asana AI. This little tool can actually help guide you through trickier actions, so tap on it. Now, in the chat box, type in How to delete workspace. You'll notice that Asana's AI will respond, but here's where things get a bit nuanced. Asana doesn't actually let you delete a workspace in the way you might expect. Instead, what you can do is deactivate the workspace by clearing out its content and members. I know, it's not quite the straightforward approach we wish for, but it does the trick. So, let's talk through deactivation. This process basically turns the workspace into a blank space that neither you nor anyone else can access, which is as close to deletion as Asana will let you get. Begin by removing all tasks and projects from the workspace. This might take a few moments if you have a lot going on, so just take your time. Why do this? Well, leaving tasks and projects behind means that anyone who still has access can potentially see or restore information, and we want a clean slate. Once you've cleared out the tasks and projects, the next step is to remove all other members from the workspace. This is important because even if you leave, anyone else could continue using it, so let's make sure no one's left behind. You may need to check the member list a couple of times, especially in bigger teams, and send a quick heads up so no one's caught off guard. Now, when you're the only one left in the workspace, it's time for the final move. Leave the workspace yourself. When you do this, the workspace essentially becomes inaccessible. It's invisible to everyone, including you. Think of it like turning off the lights and locking the door. There's no way back in. If you ever feel unsure during these steps, take a moment and remember, you can always double-check by revisiting the member list or reviewing your projects before making your exit. But maybe you don't need to fully deactivate a workspace. Maybe you just want to leave and let others carry on. Here's how you can do that. Head to the top right of your Asana window and click on your profile photo. From the drop-down menu, select My Settings. Then navigate to the Account tab. Here, you'll see the option, Remove Me from this workspace. Click it, and you're officially done. You won't see any tasks or projects from that workspace again. Just keep in mind, the workspace will continue to exist for everyone else who was a member. But your access ends the moment you leave. And that's it. Whether you want to completely deactivate an Asana workspace or just remove yourself, those are the essential steps. If you hit any snags or have questions about details I didn't cover, drop a comment below. I'm always happy to help out. And if you want more practical Asana tips, don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you never miss a tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.